G'day guys, so this is just a quick video to review the Ozito twin 18 volt lithium battery electric lawnmower. Picked this up from Bunnings for $449. Came with the mower itself, 50 litre catcher, 2 batteries and a fast charger. And obviously all the nuts, bolts and tools you need to assemble it. Really hesitant on whether to buy this unit or not. Obviously Ozito's got a great name of being shit and providing crap tools, so I went and had a bit of a look at it. Seemed alright, and comparing against the Ryobi or an AEG, they're more up near $900 or $1,000, so for half the price. We'll see how this one goes. Right, I'll do a few cuts and we'll have a look after that. Righto, so after about a dozen cuts up and down the yard, not too bad. I'll see if I can get some on camera. Not a bad cut for what it is. It's obviously cheapy, but gives a nice cut. Very, very easy to operate, and obviously no fuel, no stink, no noise. This is, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it on camera, but start it up and this is its noise, little output. So, all in all, I'm pretty impressed with it. We'll see how it goes for the rest of the lawn. But, excuse the rest of the lawn, it's pretty horrible, I know. We'll see how it goes for the rest and see how much battery life I get out of it is the real thing that I'm interested in. But, coming from a 4-stroke Briggs & Stratton to this, I'm pretty impressed. So, we'll see how we go. Righto, so, recap, just finished the whole back lawn on one set of batteries. Was not expecting that. So battery power, not bad. Pretty good cut all around. Not too shabby. Excuse the rest of the lawn. We're in the middle of a drought and bushfires are everywhere, as you can see. But I'm pretty impressed. That much outperformed, so very well outperformed what I thought it was going to do. So thumbs up for the first go. Then again, it might fail next time I use it, so who knows. But the first time I've used it, that is unreal from a company like Ozito. I've had some of their gear before and they've got a good reputation for being pretty budget, pretty cheap and nasty, so not bad for a tool that I think is pretty well vital. Not bad. Just a couple of things I will mention about this, or these electric mowers in general, is because there's no internal combustion engine and a lot less steel components, there's a lot less weight, so these mowers tend to just sort of glide along the top of the lawn. And I don't know if it's just the Ozito or if other models are doing the same thing, but there is not a lot of metal, not a lot of steel components on these. So look, plastic, looks metal but it's plastic. The only steel real components are the suspension system, which is just obviously flat bar, the deck, and it's more composite than steel. It's maybe a bit of a misleading by Ozito. They advertise it as a steel deck, but feels more like composite. The handle is obviously, I'd say, galvanized steel, and it's not very, not very hardcore. Safety bar, but other than that, really everything is pretty well plastic, and obviously mesh for the catcher net. Wheels, obviously cheap and nasty plastic, but it's not that sturdy. Structurally, it's not the best unit, but I honestly think that that's probably where Ozito saves their money, and the physical construction of all their products. If you've ever owned an Ozito tool, garden tool, especially chainsaw, drills, drop saws, any of that sort of stuff, they are, pretty cheaply made. They're mostly plastic. There's not a whole lot of steel in them. But other than that, it still does the job. It still does the job that it's advertised for. I've just done 2 lawns. I think roughly about 250 to 300 square meters on the in the backyard is about 300 squares, and that's off the 2 batteries that the unit comes with, so not too bad all in all. The battery power was great. I swapped the batteries over for the front lawn just in case they died. They weren't beeping, they weren't giving me any warning that they were going to die, but just in case. Better to keep your batteries topped up than let them go completely flat, especially lithiums, because they're not cheap. Anyway, hope you got a little bit of insight out of this, and see you in the next one if I can't find another review for something. See ya.